In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search apps in Make so you can build automation workflows faster and more accurately. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, open your browser and head over to Make. Sign into your account and make sure you're inside your main workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the Scenarios section using the left-hand menu. From here, you can either click Create a new scenario or open an existing one that you're already working on. This is where all your automation magic happens. Now, on the scenario canvas, you'll click the plus button. That opens the module picker, which is essentially the gateway to every app Make can connect with. At the top of this app selection window, you'll find a search field. This is your best friend for quickly finding what you need. Just type in the name of the app you want to use. Common examples include Gmail, Google Sheets, Airtable, Notion, Trello, or MailerLite. As you type, Make instantly displays matching results, so you can look for the correct official app icon to ensure you're selecting the right one. Click the app you want, and it opens a list of all available modules for that app. A module is simply an action you want that app to perform, like watching for new records, creating an item, sending an email, or updating a database. Pick the module that matches your task. Once you do, the selected module will be added directly to your scenario canvas. If you don't see the app you're looking for, double-check your spelling. Sometimes using shorter keywords works better. Try Sheet instead of Google Sheets, for example. You can also browse through categories like communication, CRM, marketing, or databases if the search doesn't quite get you there. Make also shows your recently used apps at the top for quick access, and in some interfaces, you can pin frequently used apps for even faster selection. A quick but important note: some apps may require a premium plan or specific permissions, so verify availability before you get too deep. Once you choose an app, you'll be prompted to connect it. This sets up the link between Make and that service. After the connection is established, you can configure the module to your liking, then click OK or Save to add it to your scenario. Be sure to click Run once to test that everything works properly. Once an app is connected, you can reuse it in other scenarios without having to search for or reconnect it again. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently search and select apps in Make to streamline your automation workflows. Thanks for watching and happy automating.